Yeah. What's that one?
What's it called?
Unfortunately, the country music world lost a couple of legends over the last couple of months. The first being Kenny Rogers, and the second being John Prine. And I'm not sure if many of you are familiar with John Prine, but he's written some amazing songs, great singer. But he died of COVID-19 only a couple of months ago. And this next song is one of his, called "The Speed of the Sound of Loneliness." It goes something like this. You come home late, then you come home early. Come on big when you're feeling small. You come on straight, you come on curly. Sometimes you don't come home at all. What in the world has come over you? What in heaven's name have you done? You've broken the speed of the sound of loneliness. You're out there running just to be on the run. Well, I've got a heart that burns with a fever. I got a worried and a jealous smile. I got a love that'll last forever. It'll get left so far behind. So what in the world has come over you? What in heaven's name have you done? You've broken the speed of the sound of loneliness. You're out there running just to be on the run. So what in the world has come over you? What in heaven's name have you done? You've broken the speed of the sound of loneliness. You're out there running just to be on the run. You've broken the speed of the sound of loneliness. You're out there running just to be on the run.